my name is Xiuming Kai. I'm from China.
My name is Xinting Su. I'm also from China.
And today we are going to present to you
Government deficit and debt.
First, I'm going to introduce what's the meaning of deficit to you. And as you can see from this graph, and the brown bars means government spending, and the green bars means the government revenues. In that year, the government spendings is $10, and the government revenues is $7. So government spendings more than the government's revenue. So this is in a situation of the government budget deficit.
For example, if you have a paycheck of $250, but you spend $300, then you will have $50 debt. This is exactly the situation of budget deficit. But if you spend $250, exactly the money on the paycheck, then you will have a budget balance. This is the same situation of the government budget balance, which means that the government have $10 and it spends $10.
And in another situation is government receives revenues more than the government spendings. For example, in here, the government's revenues is $10 and the government spendings is $8. So government's revenues more than the government's spending. So you are in another situation called the government budget surplus.
And there is one thing called public debt, which means it's the total accumulated expense of budget deficit and budget surplus. So in this situation, the public debt will be $1. And if you can see from this picture, the U.S. deficit represents the iceberg, and the U.S. debt is underneath. That the U.S. debt is much bigger than the U.S. deficit is because U.S. government will borrow more money to cover the deficit. And the deficit you can see here is only for the year, and you will not know the debt exactly, so the deficit will not equal to the debt.
So we just introduced to you what the meanings of the government deficits and public debts to you, and now we are going to talk about where the money government spent to. And as you can see here, we have another graph. And first graph, and this graph shows where the government spent the money to, and the first part, government spent the money to the national defenses.
And then the government will also spend money on the Social Security, Medicare, and other health programs.
Yeah, as you can see here has a timeline. During the 1940s and 1948, in the world, it was during a period of time of Second World War. So the government spent a lot of money on national defenses. So after a few decades later, there are less wars in the world. So the government decreased the monies of the national defenses.
Since there are less war in the world, so government decided to spend more on the Social Security, Medicare, and other health programs to improve the living condition of people.
Yeah, and the government also spent the money on other things. For example, the government will spend the money to build a public school to increase the people's education, and also the government will build a hospital to help people to have better health. So here we list it in the green light. That means other things. And yeah, this is our presentation today.
Thank you.
Thank you.